Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the YONEX Nanoray 10F Graphite Badminton Racket. If you're looking for the best badminton racket for smash shots, you're in the right place. This racket is designed to take your game to the next level. So, let's dive right in. The YONEX Nanoray 10F is a top-of-the-line badminton racket that offers exceptional performance. It's designed for players who want to dominate the court with powerful smash shots. Let's take a closer look at what makes this racket stand out. First, let's talk about the key features that make the Nanoray 10F a winner. This racket incorporates nanoscience technology into its shaft, giving it a stiff flex and unparalleled repulsion power. This means you can expect lightning-fast shots that will catch your opponents off guard. Weighing in at just 77 grams, this racket is incredibly light. It offers speedy shots and excellent maneuverability without sacrificing power. So, if you're looking to dominate the net with quick reflexes, this racket is perfect for you. With a string tension of up to 30 pounds, the Nanoray 10F provides more power and better control. Whether you're smashing or defending, this racket has got you covered. The isometric head shape means you get a bigger sweet spot, making it easier to land precise shots. You'll appreciate the increased accuracy and consistency during your games. Both the frame and shaft of this racket are made from high-quality carbon graphite. This not only ensures a lightweight design but also offers robust construction, making it durable and long-lasting. Now, let's delve into some specific product details. As you can see, customers love this racket for its lightness, control, and value for money. It's suitable for both beginners and intermediate players, making it a versatile choice. Based on the outstanding features and positive feedback, we highly recommend the YONEX Nanoray 10F as the best badminton racket for smash shots. Whether you're looking to improve your game or take your skills to the next level, this racket has what it takes. That wraps up our review of the YONEX Nanoray 10F Graphite Badminton Racket. If you're ready to step up your badminton game and unleash powerful smashes on your opponents, this racket is the way to go. Don't miss out on this incredible piece of badminton technology. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.